Optijuice 15-in-1 Mix, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory drink na punong-puno ng vitamins and minerals na nakakatulong magpalakas ng immune system. May sangkap na steviol glycoside, 0 calories and lower glycemic index. Boamera, that has tocopherol and beta-carotene, which are powerful antioxidants. Mangosteen, high in nutrient density and low in calories. Pomegranate, contains lots of vitamin A, C, K, and B5. Graviola, lowest fat content. Acai berry, has anthocyanins, polyphenols, vitamin A, C, and E. Goji berry, loaded with beta-carotene, great for glowing skin. Grapeseed, extract rich in antioxidants and oligomeric proanthocyanin. Barley grass, may help prevent formation of gallstones. Wheatgrass, may help kill cancer cells. Maca root, improves sexual desire for both men and women. Turmeric, powerful anti-inflammatory and detoxification. Spirulina, has twice amount on vitamin B12 as a serving of liver. Chlorella, contains all essential amino acids. Moringa, more calcium than milk. Ang mga ito ay magandang panlaban sa sakit lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Mga pinagsama-samang healthy ingredients sa isang bote para mas maging mabisa